At Dingbo Heavy Industry Machinery, we know that mining companies see value in every chunk of earth. That's why we've made it our goal to help you get the most out of your raw materials at the lowest production costs. We are market leaders in the production of crushing equipment and grinding mills in Shanghai. With a 230,000 square meter manufacturing facility equipped with state-of-the-art metal cutting machine tools and a professional technical team, we can produce an annual output value of up to $50 million US. Dingbo's product line includes coarse powder mills, jaw crushers, impact crushers, cone crushers, hammer crushers, sand making machines, vibrating screens, vibrating feeders, sand washers, and belt conveyors, among others. Since 2004, Dingbo has attained both CE and ISO 9001-2000 certification. We have achieved patents for coarse powder mills, reversible fine crushers, roller presses, and other products, but also won the title of Top 10 Grinding Mills in Chinese Industry. In Shanghai, we are the only firm that possesses the technology and business capital required to produce the coarse powder mill. As our patented product, this machine is used for processing coarse powder with a particle size of 0 to 3 millimeters. Its output capacity varies from 30 tons to 100 tons per hour. The entire machine is constructed in full compliance with European standards. Our vibrating screen is equipped with a Siemens motor for stable operation and reduced energy consumption. Its Q235B steel plate remains rigid when vibrating, thus extending the lifespan of our equipment. In addition, this product has been coated 4 times, which provides extremely strong resistance to rust outdoors and also increases its service life. The wheel sand washer can perform washing on artificial sand, natural sand, metal ores, and other materials with particle size of less than 5 millimeters. It is mainly used to wash dust, sludge, and so on. This equipment works efficiently, providing a high output capacity from 30 meters cubed to 500 meters cubed per hour. This series of machine is mainly used to crush high-hardness rock, ores, and other materials. Its output capacity ranges from 30 tons to 80 tons per hour. Our product is constructed using high chromium Mn13 mantle to achieve an extremely high wear resistance. Our hydraulic crusher is ideal for crushing medium-sized materials of 10 to 15 millimeters. It allows the size of the discharge gate to be automatically regulated so as to achieve uniform granularity of the finished products. This equipment is usually applied in the secondary crushing process. It provides the crushed materials with multiple edges and corners, which conforms to the standard for construction of highways, buildings, and bridges, etc. Its rear cover can be opened by a hydraulic device, allowing the worn parts to be conveniently replaced. The high-pressure suspension mill is suitable for grinding fine and medium-sized powder of 200 meshes to 500 meshes in the mining and construction industries. Its output capacity ranges from 500 kilograms to 30,000 kilograms per hour. Its grinding roll is made of Mn13 materials for a great wear resistance and long service life. Unique to our product is the addition of a hydraulic device. This allows materials to be cleaned easily when the machine is shut down suddenly. It takes only a few minutes for the hydraulic cone crusher to fully complete cleaning operations instead of manual cleaning that requires 40 to 60 minutes. Our machine saves you precious working hours as well as costs. The vertical shaft impact crusher is desirable for producing artificial sand with particle size finer than 5 millimeters. Its output capacity ranges from 100 tons to 1,200 tons per hour. In order to increase product life, this machine is manufactured using wear-resistant materials, including an Mn13 hammer and a high chromium alloy tool bit. The jaw crusher is generally used to break the materials of 300 millimeters to 1,200 millimeters in the primary crushing process with an output capacity of 30 tons to 1,500 tons per hour. It is designed with Mn13 wear parts to extend service life. The ultrafine mill is used for multi-ring rolling and grinding, which provides the advantages of high efficiency, low energy consumption, and high precision powder selection with particle size up to 5 microns. The HJM100 powder grinding mill can produce up to 6 tons or 800 measures of materials every day. The overall system is constructed using castings for a robust structure. Its pulsed jet bag filter allows dust to be completely removed. Whether your needs are in the mining or construction industries, we have the high-tech machines to enable you to get the job done. Dingbo has earned a diverse range of patents as well as many certifications, proving we are a market leader that produces state-of-the-art machinery. Our company has invested in over 30 sets of process equipment, including large horizontal lathes, drilling machines, boring machines, and vertical lathes, etc. Up to 80% of our welding operators have a decade of related experience. Many of our motors are purchased from Siemens brand, allowing the products to run very smooth. After assembly, each product will undergo a no-load commissioning test that lasts for 8 to 20 hours. Only qualified products are allowed to enter the warehouse. We have a robust supply of spare parts to fully meet your needs after sales. Join Dingbo, and together we can construct a bright future.